Walking is one of the simplest forms of exercise, but did you know that walking just 30 minutes a day can have a huge impact on your overall health? In this video, we'll explore what happens to your body and mind when you commit to this daily habit. Let's start with heart health. Walking for 30 minutes each day can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease. It helps lower blood pressure, improve circulation, and strengthen the heart muscle. Consistent walking is a great way to keep your cardiovascular system in shape without intense workouts. Next up, weight management. Walking burns calories, and while it might not seem like a strenuous activity, it can make a difference in your weight over time. A brisk 30-minute walk can burn around 150 calories. Combined with a balanced diet, it's an effective way to maintain or lose weight. Walking is also great for mental health. Studies have shown that it helps reduce stress, anxiety, and even symptoms of depression. The act of walking releases endorphins, often called feel-good hormones, which improve your mood and mental well-being. Plus, getting outside and soaking in fresh air is a natural stress reliever. Let's not forget about your muscles and bones. Walking helps strengthen the muscles in your legs, hips, and core. It also increases bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis as you age. This low-impact exercise keeps your body strong and agile, especially when done regularly. Beyond physical health, walking can boost your energy levels. It might seem counterintuitive, but regular walking increases oxygen flow through your body and helps reduce fatigue. So, if you're feeling tired or sluggish, a 30-minute walk can be just the thing to re-energize your day. Walking has cognitive benefits too. Studies have shown that walking improves brain function and memory. As you walk, more blood and oxygen flow to the brain, which helps it function better. Over time, regular walking can enhance creativity, focus, and even protect against cognitive decline. Did you know that walking can improve digestion? Walking stimulates your digestive system and promotes faster, smoother digestion of food. A quick walk after meals can help prevent bloating and indigestion, making it an easy way to support your digestive health. Let's talk about better sleep. If you struggle with falling asleep or staying asleep, daily walking might be the answer. Physical activity helps regulate your sleep patterns, and walking in the evening can relax your mind and body, preparing you for a restful night of sleep. Consistency is key. Walking every day builds stamina and endurance. Over time, you'll notice that you can walk longer distances without feeling as tired. Plus, your overall fitness level will improve, making other physical activities feel easier and more enjoyable. One of the best things about walking is its accessibility. You don't need special equipment or a gym membership. Whether you walk around your neighborhood, a park, or even on a treadmill, the benefits are all the same. Just 30 minutes a day can transform your health. Walking for 30 minutes each day is a simple yet powerful habit that improves your heart, muscles, mind, and overall well-being. So why not start today? Lace up your shoes, get moving, and enjoy the incredible benefits that walking can bring to your life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.